Hey everyone, it's David here. So some of you are asking me about this house that I've decided to keep. So I'm going to go ahead and do a video here and show you the inside. But do me a favor, before I go there, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for, click the subscription. I'd love for you to be around. And yes, I do give out prizes. I guess I need to announce that more. Now, I do have another house I'm going to be closing on here this week, and I'll post that up. I did find a renter for this house. The reason why I grabbed this house and it gravitated toward me is it had some equity. I had to come in, and all in and said I'm probably in this project for somewhere around $40,000, maybe even a little bit higher on this rehab project that you'll see. And that included the painting, the demolition of the patio, clearing up certain plumbing, putting a new dishwasher in, putting in a new stove, different things and features throughout the house, and keeping it up, catch up the up payments, giving the former owner something to walk. Now, I say this because you look at surplus funds, and I have someone who just got a $100,000 deal on a mortgage over it, and all they're doing is they're paying for the notary. So you have something like that, or you have something like this where you can get money from surplus funds and put it into a project like this. I do have a free mini webinar, free training that if you want to click the link that I put up here, go for it, and I'll see you around. Thanks, and please comment, let me know how this resonates with you. I'll see you around. Thank you. Hey guys, so final update on the house. So as you all know, I got this on a subject to take over payments. Really super cool. I already got a renter. And let's go through the final product. So I let the renter actually pick the colors of the paint. So when you walk in, I think we went a little too dark with the lighter floors, but it's kind of an off gray is what it is. And white ceiling, white baseboards. Some of this I talked about in the last video is new closet door. This wasn't here before. We put a closet in there, rack and everything to hang clothes on. Bathroom is in decent shape. We just went ahead and painted in here, got it all painted and cleaned. I actually have to clean it. That'll be my final step. In here, closet doors on. We also put a smoke detector up in every bedroom. It is all gas, so we don't have to worry about a carbon monoxide detector. I did notice, and the painter's on his way over here, on this door, we can kind of see a little spot right here. I want to ask about that. And you see occasional little spots here, so it's not as perfect as I would like it to be. Bathroom, there's a little shelf like the medicine cabinet that goes there. Otherwise, this is decent. Got the laundry room. In the laundry room, these were leaking, so I actually replaced these. I cut into the wall, replaced the drywall, got it all out. Also, another thing I did is I got GFIs out in the kitchen. I need to get one right there. That is supposed to be there. That did not happen. I'll have to replace that. But in the kitchen, we got GFI units throughout. See if they got them in the front bathroom. No, he's supposed to do the bathrooms too. It was part of it. He did install the stove and the dishwasher. Well, the dishwasher was installed before the painter. I had a separate painter come out. But this got installed, and this did, and a brand new garbage disposal. Lastly is the garage, and all the trash and everything came in the garage, so I will have to have this all hauled away. And one more thing, I said lastly, there was a patio out back. I got my kids here with me, and I went ahead and had that removed. It was not well built, so that got removed. Two coolest kids.
Hi. Hi.
So it's away from the house, or it's completely torn down, I should say.